Here is how to send multiple PDF files in one email. So first you'll need to open your browser and log into your email. Then click on Compose. And let's assume that you want to send this email, send it to someone. You can click on the content here and open the folder where your PDFs are. You simply need to select all of them and then drag them over here and drop them and wait for it to update or upload the files. Now you'll simply type your content in here and maybe send it to someone. For example, I'm going to send it to my other email, or myself in this case. So I'm going to paste my email here and call it test, and then click on send. And as you can see, I received it in here with 3 PDFs attached to my email. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.